Okay, it's a rev your engine, no weights, just your shoes on. A nice solid workout. We're going to finish with a nice flow. Um, we'll see how it goes. All right. So, do something like cross training on your heart rate monitor. And let's just get into a nice steady march. We're going to try and do a little bit of different warm up. That means we're going to have to get down on the floor to do that warm up. But before we do, we just want to kind of march it out, paying particular attention to these hips, knees, ankles, and also the shoulders, just kind of let your body move around. And while you're doing this, kind of think about, where do you feel any type of resistance or stiffness, or maybe something that hasn't, gotten all the, juices flowing to it. For me, I feel it kind of in my lower to mid back, but more on my right side, your left. So I'm kind of thinking about moving that part of my body a little bit more. And I'd like you to do the same thing. Focus on the part of the body that needs to be warmed up, lubricated, bring some movement to, and kind of bring some movement to it, whatever that may mean. Nice steady march, that's it. And if you can march while you're doing that, that's great. All right, we're at about 1.5 minutes, and we're going to start to slow down the march and kind of pull the legs in, alternating to the chest. Now, when you do this, I want you to make sure that your chest is up and open. All right, here we go. Like, ooh, did you hear some cracking from my knees? Just pull it in. That's it. 30 seconds of these dynamic moves. Grab that shin or just below the knee and pull it in. Now lift the chest. Don't shrink over into it. Nice job. Nearly there. Fantastic. Good. All right, now just some kick your butts. Give me a little side to side when we do this. So open the legs nice and wide. Try and get the heel to the butt. And if you want, you can kind of just move those arms, pulling the shoulder blades together. Kind of like this movement, but maybe not so big. Yeah? Whatever feels good. Pay attention. Maybe you need to wiggle something out. Go ahead. Beautiful job. Now keep the legs nice and wide for me, and we're going to do some nice deep primal squats. Now maybe you don't come all the way down right away, up and down, as deep as you can go. Yeah, feel it out. Feel it out. That's it. Use those hands just north of the knees. Don't put them directly on the knee. Make sure they're on the thigh. In and out. That's it. Good. We're going to do a couple more of these, and then we're going to transition into tabletop. Are you ready? So come down, and then kind of place your hands on the ground and then knees on the ground. Good. Let's do some cat-cows. Warm up that spine. Your own pace, however fast you'd like it, or slow. Just make sure you feel like you're lubricating and bringing movement. Now, while you're doing cat-cow, I'd like you to kind of rock your body forward and back. That's going to also warm up the wrists a little bit more. That's it. Good. Now we're going to do a left to right. So I want you to try and get the right shoulder to touch the right hip. Maybe you won't. That's okay. And now the other side. So we're rotating left to right. That's it. Good job. Excellent. Bring that right leg all the way forward. Now remember, you're going to have to lift that belly to get that right leg forward. And we're just going to do hip flexor stretch into hamstring stretch. Your pace, forward and back, whatever works for you. And if you can, I'd like you to try and flex that foot as you push back into the hamstring stretch. Nice deep stretching. Take your time. This is not about how deep you can stretch here right now. This is about bringing movement to the joints. Good. And let's just take that leg all the way back, and kind of like stretching out that calf. And we're going to do that rocking again, but keeping that toe on the ground. Excellent. Couple more, and then we're going to switch to the left side. Yeah, when you're ready, go ahead. Let's bring that left leg all the way forward. So remember, lift the abdominals, sink into that hip flexor, and then push back. I don't know if you can hear the creaking. It's like creak, 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 creak. Can you flex that toe now when you push back into the hamstring? Again, it's not about, this is not the time to see how deep a stretch you can do. This is about bringing movement, being awake in certain parts of the body. I've just woken up. I don't know about you. Good. That's it. Bring that left leg all the way back. Set up your hands. Bring it all the way back. Push into that calf and then tilt forward. Good. That's it. Give me a couple more like that, and let's get back into tabletop. So bring that left knee under the left hip, and I want you to flip the grip of your arms. Yeah, and then I just kind of want you to go left to right a couple of times, forward and back a couple of times. We're going to do our upper body work on the floor today. Yeah, so we need those wrists to be nice and warm. Excellent job. Now be very gentle here. We're going to flip it so the palm is up. And I want you to press in, but don't put all the weight. You want some weight, and you just kind of want to wiggle around a little bit here. See what feels good. I kind of drop the shoulders in and out. Yes, good job. Now push back into hero pose. Get there gently. All right, and then just roll those wrists for me, warming them up. Whatever feels good, shake it out. And then stand it up, however you need to get there. Hi. Good. Now, let's go. We're starting a little early, but 1 minute hustle. So the hustle is, it's kind of like you're just pumping the calf. That's right. Now today we're going to add some plyometrics, not very big, but a little bit of plyometrics just to help strengthen the joint, particularly building, support in the Achilles, a very, very strong tendon. That's it. So hustle for me, please. That's it. Come on. Pump those arms. Nearly there. All right. Legs hip width apart. I want you to give me a little jump. However many you can do is fine. How high off the ground you go, up to you. This is the plyometric. This will help strengthen and support the ankle. Good job. All right, now high knee, bring those knees up in front. So now your torso is somewhat erect and almost leaning back a little bit. That's it. Come on. Building some heat in the body. You should start to sweat. That's good. A little bit higher now. The knees are coming up, right? Before we were like just small. Now we're here. A little bit bigger. Come on. All right, 15 seconds of plyometrics. Those little jumps. Notice how when I come down, my knees are bent. You can go a little higher if you like, or you could just lift the heels off the ground for now. Kick your butts. A little bigger movement now. And again, you don't have to hop here if you don't want to. You can just alternate. Okay, that's it. Good job. But this time we want those heels coming up behind us. Pump those arms for me. That's it. Beautiful. Looking really good. Come on. This is round number 3. Good. Those plyometrics. I'd like you to get a little bit of air. All right. But maybe your knee joints, hip, ankle aren't there yet. Very little air is fine. Good. Toy soldiers. Minute 4. Even bigger movement with those legs. Can you alternate the hand that touches the foot? Lift the chest. I'd like you to do a knee kick at hip height. Come on, that's it. Some plyometrics. 1 more minute. Now, if you want to do them a little faster, that's an option. Okay, and hustle to finish again. Now this time, I want a little bit of a faster hustle. So believe it or not, when we do the hustle, we're doing it fast enough. There's a point where both our feet are off the ground, and that gives a little bit of plyometric. Pump it, come on. This is the 5th minute. We've done the cardio. Can you push a little bit more here? 15 seconds of plyometrics. And rest. Light drink, short break. Okay, we're heading into a little bit of strength training. All right, we're at about a 30-second mark. We have 30 more seconds and then we begin. So a bunch of lunges today. All right, magic numbers, 10. All right, but we're gonna do a series of lunges. We're starting off with the regular lunge. All right, are you ready? We have about 5 more seconds. Let's set up. We're gonna take that right leg back, left leg forward. The right heel stays off the ground. Let's just do 10 lunges. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, make them as deep as you can. 2, 1 more. 1, good. Now lunge knee. 10, drive that knee forward. 9, balance. 8, 7, you got this. 6, 5, 4, 3, drive it up. 2, really squeeze the abdominals here. 1 more. Good. Now, I want that back leg to be straight. So it's not a lunge anymore, but more like a crescent. Bend that knee. That's it. Yeah? Forward and back. We've done this before. 10, 9, however far forward you can. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, give me 1 more. Now, drive that knee up. Back leg becomes straight, lean forward. 10, up, balance. Drive that knee forward. 9, up, this is it. 8, 7, lean forward. Good job. 5. Come on. 4. 3. Are you leaning forward? 2. And 1. Nice job. Shake it out. Same thing left side. Left leg back, left heel up. Regular lunge. 10. Let's go. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. Are you ready? Lunge knee. So down first. Drive that knee up. 10. And back. 8. Now we want that back knee to bend. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. Hold it up. Good. Set it up. Back leg now stays straight. Come down. Lean forward and back. Let's go. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. Drive that left knee up. Keep the legs straight. Let's go. 10. 9. 8. Lost your balance. 7. Come on. 6. 5. Really working unilaterally. 4. That right leg is taking all the load. 3. Come on. 2. You're nearly there, nearly there. 1 more. 1. Good job. That's it. Wipe drink. Come down to the ground when you're ready. Excellent. Here we go. Come down for me, please. Push-ups. So notice my hands are right under my shoulders. Watch what we want. Take them out. You see it's no longer under. They're wide. Middle finger pointing to me on your knees. Let's go. 10 push-ups. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. Now, down quick, up slow. 1. Down quick, up slow. 2. 3. 4. Remember, you can always bring your knees closer to your wrists. That'll make it easier. 5 more. 4 more. 3 more. Come on. 2 more. 1 more. Good job. Sit back on your heels. Shake it out for a second. Triceps. Now the hands need to stay in line with the shoulder. All right. Now you have lots of options here. You can bring the elbows back or you can tilt forward. Up to you. Let's go. Tricep push-ups, 10 of them. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now down slow, up quick. 1, 2, 3, elbows in. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, come on. 9, down slow, up quick. 10, stand it up, no break here. Let's go, hustle. 5 minutes. So we're gonna start off with the hustle. Last 15 seconds of every minute round, we do a little plyometric, okay? We're gonna start with the hustle, end with the hustle, but now we're gonna add some bigger cardio moves. All right, remember, it's your workout. You do what works for you, okay? So all modifications work. The idea is to keep moving. All right, are you ready? In 3, in 2, add those plyometrics. Bend those knees. Let the knees go over the toes when you bend them. 5 more seconds here. Let's go, skaters. I'm gonna turn to the side. Big movement. That's it. Plyometric jumps. 15 seconds. Jumping jacks, any variation. Plyometrics. Try and get everything off the floor here. It's that jump. Basketballers. Bend those knees, chest up. The tendency here is to lean forward. We don't want that. Nice job. Or if you want, you can add a little push off the heels. Sorry, push off the balls of the feet. Come on. Plyometrics. We have 1 more minute. Bend those knees. Hustle. Come on. Come on, that hustle. We can all do this, right? Let's finish strong here. Get a minute break after this. Come on. Are you with me? Come on, pump those arms. Give me those arms. "15 seconds plyometrics and a minute break." Can you speed it up? One minute rest. White drink. All right, you know what the round entails, okay? Whew. Oh. Oh. Oh, it's good to sweat. It's been a couple of days for me. All right, the 30-second mark has just gone by. Take your last drink, your last wipe. We have 15 seconds. You know what we're doing. All right, come back to me in 3, in 2, right leg back, right heel off the ground, regular lunges, let's give 10. As big as you can make them. 5, 4, 3, come with me, 2, one more, lunge knee, 10. Now try and make it fluid. 5, you lose your balance, come right back. 4, it's okay. 3, 2, one more, 1. Legs straight back, come deep, all the way in that front leg. Let's go farther back, 10. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now drive that knee up, 10, legs straight. 9, so it's a knee crescent. 8, 7, all the way in that left leg. 6, 5, 4, come on, 3, 2, and 1. Good job, shake it out. Let's set up the left. Take that left leg back, left heel off the ground. In 3, 2, 1, regular lunges. Come on. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, lunge with the knee. Let's go. 10, 9, bend both knees. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, hold that knee up. 1, leg goes back straight. Come low. All the weight in the right, forward and back. 10. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, add the knee, let's go. Leg goes back straight. 10, 9, 8, lean forward on it. 7, 6, 5, wobbly. 4, nearly there, come on. 3, leg straight. 2, all that weight in the right leg. 1, good. Shake it out. All right. Wipe. Come down on the ground for me, please. Push-ups. Hands are wide. Fingers pointing straight ahead. We're gonna flip it this time, so singles, and then we're gonna go down slow, up quick, all right? So we're switching it around. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down slow, up quick. 10. Explode when you come up. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Come on. 4. Push up hard. 3. Bigger. 2. And 1. Take a moment. Shake out the wrist. Whew. Yeah. Nothing like a push-up to get the upper body working. Nothing. It works the entire upper body. All right, hands close. Let's go. Triceps. Elbows need to stay close. 10 singles. Let's go. 10. 9. Middle finger still pointing straight ahead. 8. 7. 6. Use the option if you need to. 5. 4. Are you ready? 3. 2. All right. Down quick, up slow. 10. 9. 8. 7. Down quick, up slow. Down quick, up slow. 4 more. And stand it up quickly. Let's go. 5-minute cardio. 1-minute break after this. Hustle. Whew. Come on. 1-minute rounds. Each round is going to end with 15 seconds of a plyometric. As big or as small as you want. As fast or as slow as you want for that plyometric. Come on. Come with me. I want you breathing hard. This is it. We're going to be done after this. Come on. Come on. This is it. Ready? Plyometrics. Maybe think about a little bit higher this time. Maybe a little slower, but jump a little bit higher. Good job. Shuffle. Pump the arms. So the legs are going forward and back. Yeah. Each round, the cardio gets a little bit harder. Yeah. That's it. Come on. Nearly there. "15 seconds plyometrics." Now this time, I want you to jump a little faster. Stay on the balls of your toes here. The heels are just tapping the ground momentarily. All right, mountain climbers, my favorite. Oh, yeah, not. Butt needs to be in line with the shoulders. Pump those legs. Come on, this is it. Breathe. You got this. Standing in 3, 2, come on, plyometrics. Let's go. Whew. All right, deep primal squat. Come forward, onto your knees, push back, stand. Deep primal squat, come forward, stand. Yeah, it's all about mobility on the ground. Your own pace, fast, slow, medium, whatever you can do. Come down, deep primal squat. Push into those wrists. Part of it is getting up off the floor. That's the challenge. You got this. Come on. Nearly there. We're nearly there. Doesn't have to be looking graceful. I'm not asking you to be a ballerina. Plyometrics. So once you come up, let's go. 1 more minute. And then we're done. That's it. Come on. Grow your flow next. Good job. Hustle. Woo. So it's like, the hustle is like a small high knee. Yeah? I want you to pump those arms. Woo. This is it, guys. This is your last minute of intense work. After that, we go into a nice slow cool down. Come on. Can you speed it up? Woo, yes. Come on. You're with me. That's it. Last set of plyometrics in 3, in 2. Let's go. Can you go a little higher? Bend those knees. It's good for the knees, I promise you. Just take it slow and small. And rest. Wipe, drink. Stay with me. You're not going to get a full minute rest here because we're going into the cool down. So I just want you to wipe it up. Just get some in a drink. And tap it out left to right for me. That's it. Woo. Cheers. Oh, not bad. Not bad. It's about 30 minutes of workout. Yeah, have 5 minutes warm up. All right, come to me, please. Legs wider than the hips, toes pointing straight ahead. Let's release the hips. As slow as you need it. Stay wherever you need to, opposite direction. So if you feel like the stretch feels good and you want to stay here, that's okay. You don't have to move with me. I'm just going to give you some options. Good. Bring those legs to hip width for me, please. Excellent. Big inhale. Clasp the hands, palms to the ceiling. Did you see how I flipped that? Reach up. Lift the chest. Good. And exhale. Round the back. Big inhale, lift. All right, grab your right wrist. Lean it over to the left. Oh. Grab your left wrist. Lean it over to the right. Good job. Stay facing me. All right, you're going to release your hands. Take them to the small of the back or just above the glutes. Lean back. Drop the head. Excellent job. Shake it out. Just shake it out left to right. Good. That's it. Excellent. Come back to mountain pose. Legs hip width, palms open, chest up, belly sucked in. Pelvis tilted slightly. Yeah? All right. Good. Big inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Your hands can go wide. All right. Bend your knees as much as you need to and then walk out that forward fold. So one knee's bending at a time. Drop the head, the top of the head to the ground and nod yes. Excellent. And then nod no. Beautiful. Bend both knees, roll it up. Mountain pose. Stand tall, open the palms. That's it. Big inhale. Exhale, forward fold. This time your hands can open wide or they can come down the center, whatever. All right, this time we're just going to keep both legs as straight as possible. Drop the top of the head to the ground. Nod yes. Nod no. Good. Stay facing me. We're going to grab the back of our legs and pull ourselves down even more. Hold it here for 10. Legs as straight as possible. 9. If they're bent, that's okay. 8, 7, top of the head to the ground. That's where we're stretching. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Release the calves, palms on the ground, either flat, tented, or you can have your hands on your shins. All right, I want tabletop. So now I want you to lift your eyes, lift your chin, face me. Big stretch here. Still stretching the hamstrings, but now we're kind of opening up the chest. Good, fold forward, step it into a plank. Good job. All the way back into a plank. Hold it there. Slowly drop to your knees so you're in a modified plank. Excellent. And now we're going to slide it back into child pose and push it forward into, well, big cobra. Push it back into child pose, slide it forward into cobra. All right, so the knees stay on the ground. When you're in cobra, those thighs are touching the ground. Good job. Now hold it here in cobra. Push the chest forward between the arms. Pull the shoulders away from the ears. Now lift your knees and thighs off the ground. You can flex your foot here or you can have your toes pointed. Up to you. Beautiful. Push back, child pose. So big toes touching, some space between the thighs so that you can rest your abdominals, forehead on the ground. Now walk the fingers forward. So there's a nice side stretch. Beautiful job. Excellent. Come to all fours for me, please. All right. Suck it in. Drive that right leg forward. Make some room for it. Good. Now you can frame the right leg. You can tent the fingers. Have the palms flat. You can have them on the inside. Whatever works for you. Whatever feels comfortable. Good. Hold it here. Now I want you to lift the chest. If you can, I'd like you to take your hands to your thighs. Lift the chest. Can you arch and drop the head back slightly? Very good. Oh. This is a low lunge with a nice deep stretch of the front body. All right, and release. Get those hands back to wherever they're comfortable for you. And now we're going to stretch out that hamstring. Flex that foot, hold it here. Now, head up, chin up to begin, please. Look at me. Beautiful. Hold it there, hold it there. Now I want you to drop the head. How low can you go? Beautiful job. And release, come back forward onto that leg. Now, if your hands are not on the inside, I'd like both hands on the inside. And I'd like you to try and see if you can come down to the one elbow. Yeah, maybe both elbows, maybe. Really opening up that hip. Good. Now you come out the same way. One elbow at a time. Excellent job. Back to tabletop. Good. Child pose into cobra. Let's go. Oh. That's it. Your own pace, your own movement, your own spine work. Now I'm going to hold it in cobra and you're going to wiggle it so that the chest comes forward. Shoulders are away from the ears. Good. And now you're going to lift the knees and thighs off the ground. Up dog. That's it. Good. And release it. Come to tabletop. That left leg forward. Lift. Drive it forward. Hold it here. Hands on inside, outside, doesn't matter. Straddled, flat, tented, doesn't matter. Lift the chest, push forward. And then see if you can come up onto that leg. Good. Can you really arch? Can you drop that head back? Excellent. And release it. First the head, then set up the arms. Good. We're going to push all the way back. Hamstring. Flex that toe, head up, chin up, eyes on me. There you go. Good job. Now we're going to drop that head. Oh, excellent. And release it, come forward. If you're straddling like me, bring it to the inside. One elbow at a time. And maybe this is where you stay, right? That's okay. If you can get both elbows down, that's good. So you want to try and make sure you're squaring those shoulders. Yeah, and dropping the hip, both of them. And then you come out the same way you came in. One hand at a time. Beautiful. And back to all fours, tabletop. Beautiful job. Excellent. All right, We're going to tuck those toes, drive that butt up, down dog. And now I want you to walk out that dog. So you're bending one knee at a time. Good. Nod the head, yes. Nod the head, no. Good job. All right, bring your feet in together so that the big toes are touching or nearly touching. You're going to drive that right leg straight up, three-legged dog. And then you're going to open out the hip and let that right heel drop to the glute. Funky dog. Beautiful. And return it to regular dog. Walk it out. Both feet on the floor, walking it out. Nod the head, yes. Nod the head, no. All right, walk those feet in so the big toes are touching or nearly touching. We're going to drive that left leg straight up, three-legged dog. Drop that left heel to the left glute, open up that hip, funky dog. Beautiful job, and return to down dog. Excellent. Hold both legs straight, hold it right there, deep breath in. And as you exhale, come down onto all fours. Push back into hero pose. Excellent. Oh, nice. Roll those shoulders for me, please. Roll them forward. Good. Now, what I want you to do is release those toes. Yeah, another variation of hero. And then we're just going to side stretch. Yep. Excellent. And other side. Nearly there. Good. Flip the grip. Now I want you kind of around the back. Yes. And that way you do a little bit of a pull on those wrists, stretching out the forearms, those biceps. Excellent job. And release. Flip it like we started. This is actually really good for your wrists, something that we don't do often. Yeah, so palms are up, and I want you to put some weight on it, but not a lot. Feel it out. Okay, don't put all your weight on it. It's not something you do all the time. So we just want to work, just want to get the wrists bearing some weight, and shake it out for me, please. Beautiful. All right, push back up onto your feet, primal squat. Get the elbows to be to the inside of those knees, prayer arms. We're coming to standing. When you're ready, stand it up for me, please. Oh, that's it. Good, shake it out. Big inhale, exhale. Big inhale, exhale. And one more time, big inhale, clasp the hands up over the head, down to the heart of the matter. Thank you so much for working out with me today. I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Ooh, can't get the button.